Welcome to AGROSUS soil sampling tutorial. To sample the physical, chemical and microbiological properties of soil, we'll need the following equipment: a 0 to 20 cm auger, a spatula, some bags and rigid containers, a permanent marker, a cooler and cooling ice plates, a shovel, a pair of gloves, a spoon, pencil and paper. Before starting to collect samples, ensure that all equipment is clean and disinfected, otherwise samples may be contaminated. Step 1. Use your marker to label all the bags and rigid containers. Remember to put a piece of paper with the same label inside each container. Step 2. To make a composite sample at each sampling location, you'll need 5 subsamples. Select the sampling location. The subsample locations should be 2 meters apart in each direction, crosswise if possible. Step 3. Start from the central sampling point. Remove any superficial weeds from the soil if necessary and insert the auger until 20 centimeters of soil. Put the soil into the composite bag. Step 4. Repeat the procedure at each subsampling point. Collect all soil subsamples in the same bag. Step 5. Homogenize thoroughly by hand the soil and use the spoon to scoop the samples into the rigid container and the zip bag. Store the sample for biological analysis in the cooler for express delivery. Store the sample for physicochemical analysis at room temperature. Soil both from the composite sample and rigid container must be dried at room temperature before shipping.